This 2022 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 256 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features a tan and black interior, sleeps 10, stovetop burner, LP detector, water heater, TV, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, external shower, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 256 BHS is 5,643 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.